Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on airplane mode on your PC or laptop. Now, you want to go ahead and look on your keyboard for the airplane mode. So this will most likely be the one of the keys that shows an airplane on it. In my case, it is showing on my F12, and so you will need to press the Fn or function key on the F12 to be able to do it. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to press function plus F12, and you can see right away down at the bottom of my screen I know of the airplane mode. Right, so you want to go ahead and press function on whatever option that is available to you to be able to set that airplane, to turn on the airplane mode. Another way how you can do that is to press the Wi-Fi icon on your PC taskbar, and here you will find the connections right here. So you'll be able to quickly see airplane mode, and you can click on it, and it's gonna allow you to connect to the airplane mode. So that's it. Very easy and very simple.